As healthcare shifts increasingly towards personalized in home services, the need for intuitive, flexible, and scalable home healthcare software has never been more urgent. Agencies today must juggle client care, caregiver scheduling, compliance requirements, clinical documentation, billing, and more, often across wide geographic areas and multiple service lines. AlayaCare is an all-in-one cloud-based platform designed specifically for home and community care providers. It helps organizations deliver better outcomes by providing advanced scheduling, care coordination, real-time documentation, and mobile functionality, backed by powerful analytics and customizable workflows. Whether you're managing a small care team or a large multi site organization, Alea Care offers the tools you need to operate efficiently and deliver exceptional client care. In this video, we'll explore the core features that make Alea Care a leading home healthcare platform. We'll also dive into the practical benefits it brings to providers, caregivers, and clients alike, and why it's become a top choice in the industry. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the end to end client and care management. Alea Care enables providers to manage every stage of the client journey, from intake and onboarding to care plan creation, service delivery, and ongoing assessments. All information is securely stored and accessible in a centralized database. This ensures seamless coordination across care teams, reduces duplication, and supports a high standard of care through integrated client records. Another key feature is the smart scheduling and real time optimization. The scheduling engine uses real time data to automatically assign caregivers based on skill sets, availability, proximity, and client preferences. It also adjusts dynamically to last minute cancellations or changes. This increases operational efficiency, reduces travel time and costs, and ensures the right caregiver is always assigned to the right client. Another key feature is the mobile app for caregivers and field staff. Through the AlayaCare mobile app, caregivers can clock in, out, view client profiles, access care plans, complete forms, and submit documentation directly from the field, even without an internet connection. This reduces paperwork, improves care documentation accuracy, and allows field staff to work more independently and effectively. Another key feature is the electronic visit verification compliance. AlayaCare includes built-in EVV capabilities that capture visit start/end times, GPS location, caregiver identification, and services provided all in real time. This helps agencies meet state and federal compliance standards, avoid penalties, and increase transparency and accountability. Another key feature is the clinical charting and documentation tools. AlayaCare supports a full suite of clinical tools for documenting vitals, assessments, progress notes, medication management, and incident reporting. Forms and workflows can be tailored to the specific needs of each organization. This ensures clinicians and caregivers have up to date information to support high quality, personalized care while maintaining audit readiness. So, why is AlayaCare a great choice? AlayaCare is more than just scheduling software. It's a powerful care delivery platform designed from the ground up for home healthcare. It stands out because of its ability to handle complex, regulated operations while remaining easy to use for both administrators and caregivers. The cloud based infrastructure allows your entire team, whether in office or in the field, to access critical information in real time, fostering a more connected and responsive care environment. What makes Alea Care particularly compelling is its adaptability. The platform is highly configurable, making it suitable for a wide range of services, from personal support and home nursing to rehabilitation and palliative care. With its built in automation, predictive analytics, and mobile first design, AlayaCare empowers providers to do more with less, improving both care outcomes and staff satisfaction. Moreover, the platform is future focused. AlayaCare's roadmap consistently includes enhancements driven by customer feedback, compliance changes, and technology trends. That means your agency benefits not just from what AlayaCare offers today, but from the innovation it brings tomorrow. So basically, managing a home healthcare agency in 2025 comes with a host of challenges. But with the right tools, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Alea Care helps you rise to those challenges with a platform built for the realities of modern home care. So, whether you're a small provider looking to digitize your operations or a larger organization aiming to scale efficiently, Alea Care provides the structure, flexibility, and intelligence to help you succeed. So, Alea Care is a step in the right direction. So, just dive in and explore how it can work for you. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.